Purezidenti Museveni ahirayo kuraganisa okunyomwa abazyo bwabire nabugana abeebembezi barakwika 15,000 aba NRM mu rukiko rukorirwe ahari Lango College muri LIRA City. Museveni hona wakwatire kibina cha NRM bendera omukaruruko bwa presidenti akariyo kagendo misho kandi agambira abembeza aba ngo naza kuongera amani on program zo kubinga obworo omumaka.
I'm going to study the issue of the eastern axis, the one you talked about, the one going from Aloy, going instead of coming you want to bypass LIRA to go to Amoratal. Very good. That one makes sense.
Museveni okwayo kuraganisa okuwabire nagarukamu okushaba kwa abembezi omucyanga eki abagizire ngu nibateganisibwa ibora ry'enguuto namwe nezitakozurwe enkorwa dokoro bata abako aleo orwino bulingwa bwa kilomita 4 n'obushweka bona.
Those who give our people the idea that jobs are from the government are really enemies of our future, or they don't know. Now this example of Lonyo, of an individual creating teach for the Ugandans is in agriculture, just on the side of agriculture, small scale agriculture.
President Museveni asimira abantu barango abukuma obusinge obu government ya NRM yabaretire.
The rebels, coin, all that.
Ekateme dedong ikopu duya coin kereno kenedong apolata.
Then the cattle rustlers.
So
the NRM leading the population, including Chamuka and Arab boys and others, we have been able to bring peace to Uganda now. This peace now.
NRM kun kuber keryong eta papat medukera muha te tiuti chaber te kelukuchi Uganda de cyane babu kimwa po no.
Ogwashabere abatura omucyanga eki obutahurikiza abantu abari kubatamwe bigambo bikubahabya.
And all these people who are challenging NRM, nobody has contributed anything to that peace.
En korijona lohi baba komen NRM peti moro timu ginora twal iduogu kushi Uganda.
So you the people of Lango, you must be very serious. It's not a joke. You cannot go on playing around with Uganda. Uganda is not something to play around with.
Awa TV West Ndyamusiimanta Ensinganto omuli Lango.